Don't scream. Die with dignity.
Bingo Slideshow. What are you doing?
Come on. What have we?
I-70. 70.
Go, Steve, go!
16. 6.
I'm gonna throw up! And not in the good way!
I-20.
I believe that we are at a safe distance.
Where are we? Where is
I-30.
that?
That's Earth.
30.
Earth?
Oh,
That's where we live.
78.
Come on, trust me.
Oh, 70. And 44.
Whoa.
Gee.
It's beautiful.
50.
It really is.
I always imagined there was more.
B1.
But never this much more.
B3.
You really are from the future.
You didn't
B10.
believe me?
Of course not. I thought you were insane and possibly dangerous.
I-19.
And cute. So was it scary? You know, traveling through time?
60.
Nah. Takes a lot to rattle a turkey like me. Wish you could have seen it.
Oh, she
Oh,
can.
75.
Playback of time travel connotes.
Steve must be experiencing some kind of glitch.
This is where Reggie cries for his mommy.
Oh, that's...
Gee.
We're not sure why
51.
that turkey
Here
is so
it
much.
is in slow mo.
All right, I think we're safe now. We should really
B2.
get going.
As you wish.
B4. I-17. I-24. I-27.
Huh. Wow, I didn't know that a guy could do that.
48.
Isn't that
48.
So funny.
Bye, Steve. You're the best time machine I've ever met.
Goodbye, Jenny. Oh, Reggie.
And
I'm
40.
fully charged and ready to take you home.
Are you serious? We can go.
Gee.
Come on, Reggie, let's
51. 51.
Yeah. You know, we don't want to go flying off half cocked,
56.
right? Keep me posted as you work.
1. B7. B9. B13.
Centerpieces.
6.
Thanksgiving is happening tomorrow.
The hunters are returning.
Oh,
Only we can
74.
see what's inside that building.
That's the weapons shed where they keep all their boomsticks.
Oh, 100.
Without their weapons, they are weak and
Afraid.
B5. 5. Bingo! Are you there? Having a bingo. Yes, take it. Say, wait.